Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to day 2 of Shift Sector out here in Coalinga airstrip. So we're lined up for the first pass of the day, hoping to get 162, 163. If there's enough room, maybe I can get 164, 165. This fucker. What are you going for today?
I want to get 161, 162.
That'd be good. We practiced some second gear launches out there in Mexico last night and got it figured out pretty well.
Let's do it one more time.
It's nice and cool out. Okay. A lot of cars already lined up, ready to go. Got a long day ahead of us. It's gonna be a good time though. I'm excited. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright you guys, so far today in the Z06 I've hit 161.4 and now I just hit 161.8. Gonna raise the tire pressure a little bit, probably a couple pounds, raise them up to like 22, and I should be able to get into 162, if not maybe a little more. We're right there, and so we think raising the tire pressure just a little bit should make that difference. Fuel system's pretty much maxed out. Can't really add much ethanol. It's not going to really do too much at this point. But the car's doing awesome. Really excited. Really happy about it. And really thank Freud coming out with us, hanging out with us all day, and just sharing advice, helping us out. It makes a huge difference. And yeah, just stay tuned for more. Alright boys, so we just got another run in, 163.5 miles per hour in the half mile. So close to 164, but we jumped completely from 161 up to 163 just by changing the tire pressure. So I'm wondering, I'm going to talk to Roy about it, maybe even going up to 24 pounds in the rear and see if we can get to 164 and then shoot 165. It would have to be literally a perfect pass basically, but the car's been running so great. I'm not launching really hard at all. 0 to 60 is like 4 seconds. I'm not really launching very hard at all. The car's doing so well. I'm super excited, super pumped. This is a freaking great day. I think I'm gonna take a little break and record some racing now, so keep staying tuned and enjoy the video.
So many empty boxes. I know we're going through this stuff fast, so 150.45 right there for Jody in that GT3 RS. Beautiful car. The 153, Sheldon with the 136. Roy coming up in the ZL1. The width of the airstrip, BMW M3. But about the 176, here he comes. There's the Camaro. Wow. Camaro was no joke there. 179.6 to a 171.1. 2-3. Now we're with John, BMW M6 coming up against Jesus in this 2020 Supra. Jesus about the 133.7, 150.4 for John coming up.
Finish the day off racing a Audi R8. It's not a new one, but it's pretty cool, and I've always wanted to race an R8, so I mean, we'll see how it goes.
Just a little bit.
It'd be really freaking hot getting under this car.
Stupido.